Hi everyone, welcome to my video. In this video I want to show you an in-depth tutorial on how you can create your own print-on-demand store with WordPress and WooCommmerce. And in this tutorial I will show you exactly how you can recreate this website. So in this tutorial I'll show you exactly step by step how you can create this website. So we are installing a good theme on our WordPress installation, and then we will customize the theme, and then we will connecting our theme to Printful. So Printful will here be our print-on-demand provider, and I show you exactly how you can set up Printful so that you can upload your own designs and create your t-shirts and all print-on-demand products you want. And then I show you how you can import the products into your WooCommerce store, and I show you how to make a domain and how to choose a right hosting company for this. So we will go over everything here step by step. So at the end of the video, you will able to create your own fully functional WooCommerce print-on-demand store like this. And also I will explain you everything, how everything works, how the WordPress and WooCommerce backend works. I will show you how you can connect a payment provider. For this we are using WooPayments or Stripe to accept credit card and Google Pay and Apple Pay. So I also will show you exactly how to choose the domain name and how to register your domain name and your hosting. And I also will put in all the chapters in the video description down below. So if you want to skip a chapter, so maybe you already have a domain name and hosting, then you can go to the video description and then you can skip this, for example, if you want. And so yeah, that is my intro, and let's get started. Let's build our print-on-demand store. So welcome to the first step. Now I want to show you how you can find your domain name and how you can search for available domain names. And for this we use a website, a really cool website, Instant Domain Search. This website is really good, and this website can show you if our desired website is still available or website name is still available. And if the website is not available, then this tool will give us some recommendations and a similar website that are available. So for example, if you own a company or want to register your company name, then you can paste it in here and search for it. And so let's real quick search for, let's say we are a car dealership and we want to register our domain name here. So let's put in, for example, we are car dealer London, for example. So you can see if we are a car dealer in London, then we can type it in here, car dealer London. And you can see now it is green, and that means this domain name is still available. Then we could register, we can use this domain name. But for example, let's do car dealer. Now you can see car dealer is blue. That means this website is already taken. And this website name is currently for sale. It's 150,000 US dollar, and we don't have that much money. So in this case, we can see here down here that the website give us some suggestions for free domain names. You can see here car dealer design, for example, go car dealer, and you can see we have a few recommendations, and we can press on the load more buttons to get even more recommendations. And you can see we get a ton of recommendation, and this doesn't have to be for car dealers. For example, my little shop, it is taken. If you want to go with this domain name. This is already taken. Then we can see the recommendations here. So you can play around with it until you find your perfect domain name. And for this tutorial, because I want to create a new domain name and install WordPress, and for this case, I want to website for sale. So you can see this website. I want to register. I want to do something that I can sell my website. And website for sale is taken. And this website is not for sale. So this is red. The text is now red. You can see it's taken and it's not for sale. But let's do website -for -sale. Now you can see website -for -sale is free, and I could use this, and I will use this domain name. And yeah, that's it. So this is the tool I want to show you, and I will link the domain name for this tool in the video description down below. So yeah, go to the video description, and there you can find the link to this website, and click on it, and then you get redirected to this website, and you can play around with it. You can search for your perfect domain name, and yeah, make sure the website name is the best is if you choose a short domain name, because yeah, it's more more recognizable if your website name is shorter. Don't make your website name too long. And I always recommend customers to get a website domain name that is really short. And also it is better if you choose a .com domain. So .com domain is universal. So even when you, for example, you are in Canada, then your domain name .ca, for example, and this is so you tell people this your service or your company is only available in Canada, for example, or in France, FR, then maybe it's better to get a .com domain, because a .com domain is universal. So I always recommend to get a .com domain. Yeah, and so that's it for this lesson. And yeah, now you know how you can search for your perfect domain name. And yeah, the next step is to register our domain name and get a hosting for our domain name. So then see you in the next lesson. Okay, so now we are at the point that we want to register our domain name and get hosting. And this is a really good hosting company. I own a few domain names or a few websites, and I always use A2 hosting, because yeah, it's very reliable, it's really cheap, and the service is really good. So if you have problems with your website or with the hosting, then you can always reach out to them, and the service is really good. So yeah, and if you want, I have the link to A2 hosting. I have a special link in the video description. You can click it, and then you will get this special package here. You will get good prices. So use my link in the video description to get to the hosting company. Of course, you can use a different hosting company. It doesn't really matter if you have a better hosting company, or if you already have hosting, then you can go with this. But for this tutorial here, I will show you how you can set up your website and with this hosting company. And yeah, if you want to follow this tutorial, then I think it's better to go with A2 hosting as well. Because yeah, then you can follow me all the steps, and you can follow all the steps. And yeah, like I said, link is in the video description. Click on it, and then you will go to this website here. And so here on this website, we have 4 different packages. But yeah, for a normal website, or for even a normal e-commerce shop, it's more than enough to go with the startup package. So I always choose the startup package because it's really cheap and it offers us everything we need for a website or even for an e-commerce store. So you can see here it's $2.99 per month, and I think for a website including our domain name, this is a really good offer. So you can see with my link you get 75% off. Normally it's $11.99, but yeah, with the link in the video description you get it for $2.99 a month. And yeah, this package is really good because we get one website, we get 100 gigabyte SSD storage, so this is really great. So we can store a lot of data on this website package here. So 100 gigabyte is really a lot, and yeah, the most storage space that we need is of course for images that we put on our website, and yeah. So and then we get free and easy site migration, so we don't need this. And here are a few more. If we hover over key features, then we can see we get even unlimited email accounts, so you can make unlimited email addresses. So you can make info at, service at, your domain name, your name. You can make hundreds of email addresses, email accounts. This is really great. Unlimited transfer volume, so you are not limited in the data transfer volume on your website. This is perfect. We need this, and you can see the next thing is service. We get 24/7 service, live chat, email support, even phone support. This is really good. And yes, we get a cPanel. This is good. We need this to set up our WordPress. And then the next is 99% or 99.9% uptime. So our website is always up and it's always reachable. This is really great. And we get, and a really important thing is we get a free SSL. Like I said before, we need SSL because SSL will secure the communication, the data communication of our website with the visitor of our website. This is really important. We get this for free for the $2.99, and a free website builder. We need this because we want to build our website with WordPress, so we don't need this. And yeah, website staging, this is good, and we can choose where the data center is located. This is really great. So, okay, yeah, you can choose between the payment plan if you want to pay upfront for 36 months or 12 months upfront, or you can even pay only for 1 month, but then it's a little bit more expensive if you only pay for 1 month. So I only choose between 12 months and 36 months, but for this tutorial I will go with yeah, with the 12 month plan here. So great. Then of course, if you want to have a little bit more, then you can go with these package: Drive, Turbo Boost, and Turbo Max. Then your website, then you have unlimited websites, and it's a little bit more faster. But yeah, for a normal, if you want to build a normal website, then this is enough. So okay, then let's get started. So if we choose 12 months, then I click on Get Startup here on the button. Here on this Get Startup. And now we can, we have to click here, Register a new domain name. So because we want to register a new domain name, then we click here. And then let's go here, let's copy this. Of course, you copy your own domain name, not my domain name. Here you can choose the top level domain, and I will go with .com, but they offer a few other top level domain names for example, .net, .org, .us, everything you can imagine. They have thousands of top-level domains, but in my case, I want to have a .com domain, so I choose .com, and then I click on check availability. And now he checks if this domain name is available, and yeah, this domain name is available. So this is great. Now we have to pay, I don't know where the button now is. Yeah, we can register the domain name for $10.99. This is a one-time payment you have to make. And now our button is gone. Now there's our button. And we want to go with this website for sale. Perfect. Go click on continue. Okay, perfect. Now we can see what we want to buy. We want to buy the startup package. Everything I explained earlier is listed here, and we want to use the 12 months plan. This is great. So here you can see the breakdown, and the normal price is 100, almost 120 US dollars. But with my link in the video description, you get the discount. Now you pay only 35 or 36, almost 36. So great. You don't have to include this. We don't need this because we have free SSL already included, so we don't need any upgrade. And then we click on the continue button here. Okay. Great, so we can, we don't need this here. Everything looks good. Then we can click on continue. Okay, now the total price is, I have to pay 55.78 US dollars because it's, the hosting and the domain name. But this is a really good price for 1 year hosting with a really good hosting company. So then I click on checkout. So okay, now we have to choose our payment. You can see we have a lot of different options, payment options here, and I use this. I have to blur it out because otherwise you will see my payment information. So you can pay here with a credit card, PayPal, PayU, I don't know what this is, Skrill, bank transfer, everything you can imagine. Complete order. So in my case, I will now get redirected to PayPal, but I have to blur it out so you can see my payment credentials here. Okay, so now we have everything is good. We registered our domain, and we have now the hosting. You can see here on this account I already had a domain name, so now I have 2 domains here. So my first name and the second name I just registered here with the hosting plan. Oh, great. And that's that's it now. And yeah, congratulations to your first domain name and your first hosting. And from here we can build, and we can install WordPress and so on and so forth. So the next step is to install SSL, or to check our SSL if it's already working or not, and otherwise we have to install it. So yeah, see you on the next lesson. Okay, welcome back. So now we want to install our SSL, or we want to check if our SSL is already activated. From time to time you have to manually activate SSL, and other times the SSL is already installed. But let's check this real quick. That's wrong. Let's copy my URL, close this. Let's paste it in here. Okay, now you can see I get a message here in the browser, not secure. And this means our SSL is not installed already. So we have to install the SSL certificate now. For this, we have to go back to the A2 hosting, and we have to click on log into cPanel. So click on login in cPanel. And then we go to, what's that? Oh, not now. Then we have to go to, let me see where it is. Security, there it is, security. So from here we can click on SSL and TSL. Okay, and then we can click on save. Okay, and now I think we have to wait a little bit because it can take a while, up to an hour, that the SSL gets activated. So, but for now, we can go back. Let's check our website again. No, we have to wait a little bit. Oh, and another thing I totally forgot, to speed up the process that our SSL get activated. So we can go back to our cPanel here, and then we can click on under security on SSL TSL status. So we can click here, and then we can run an auto SSL. So we mark our website, and then we click on run auto SSL. And then we have to wait a little bit until the process is finished here, and then we can check again. And if it's not working right now, then we have to wait a little bit. So I think 30 minutes or up to an hour it can take until the SSL is activated on our website. But from time to time it can go faster, or even your SSL is pre-installed. I don't know why. From time to time it's pre-installed, the SSL, and other times you have to manually install it. I don't know what this is, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, now we get the message success, auto SSL complete. Let's check again, maybe. We still, I don't think so. Let's refresh our website. Nope, not active. But it's okay for now, so we have to wait a little bit. I think in the meantime we can set up our email addresses and our email inboxes. So this we can do till we wait for the SSL to complete. Let's do this next. Okay, so now till we wait until our SSL certificate is live, then we can proceed with our email settings. So now we want to create an email account or an email address, and to do this we have to go back to our cPanel. So your domain, then cPanel, and then we can go to email, the very first here, email, and the very first as well, email accounts. Then we click on email accounts. So now we have no email addresses now. Then we have to click on create to create a new email address. Okay, and then in my example, I will create the email address info@ and then my website, and a password. I can click on create. So strong password is created, and you have to remember this password. So the best is to copy this password and your email address and write it down, or paste it in a document on your computer, so that you always have it. Let me do this real quick. Okay, great. Now I wrote it all down, or I saved it on my computer, and then we can click on create. Okay, now our email address is created. Perfect. Now the next thing we have to do, we have to go back to the main page here, and then we can click on next to our domain, we click on view details here. next to cPanel, log in with cPanel, view details. And we need, now we need this incoming email server and outgoing email server. So we can copy all this here. And this we have to save as well, because we need it later to put into our WordPress website, so that our WordPress website can send emails like to the contact form on our website. So this is what we need. So again, copy it and save it on your computer. Okay, and that's it for the email. So in the next step, we will install WordPress. So see you there. Okay, welcome back. So now we want to install WordPress, and to do this, we have to go back. We have to click on the home button here. And then we have to go again to our cPanel website, and then log into cPanel. And then here you can see under Softaculous app installer, you can see WordPress A2 optimized. This is what we need. Then click on this. Okay, perfect. And now we can click on install on this big blue install button. And now we can see our domain here. And this is good. So the website name, in my example, I put in website for sale. Just for example, we can edit this later. Site description, you can put in whatever you want. We can change it later on, but there has to be something in there. So I leave my WordPress blog here for now. And yeah, the next thing we have to definitely have to remember or write down or save on our computer is the admin account. So we have to copy our admin username and the admin password as well. So let me do this real quick. I'm right back. Okay, great. Now you can see admin email underneath the password. Then put your email address in you previously created, or you can even put another email address which you are using. And then choose language is okay. Advanced options, there is nothing too special we need now. And then we can click on, we can click on the install button, on the blue install button. And now our WordPress website will get installed. Now we get an error, of course. Installation cannot proceed because the following files are already existing in there. Okay, if you get this kind of message, then just click the checkbox here, and then you will override it. I don't know why this file is already there, but yeah, just check the box that you give permission to override this file, and then go back down and click on install again. And now the install process starts a second time, and I think now we are good. So this takes a while, but yeah, now the complete WordPress web software get installed on our website, and after this we will get redirected to the login page, or we have to click on login, and then we get to the login page. And from there on, we can start make the basic settings of our WordPress website, and yeah, so on and so forth. Yeah, I will cut the video and I will be right back when the installation process is finished. Okay, so the installation process has completed, and now you can see a new screen here. You can see, of course, your website URL, and then you can see the admin login. It is yourwebsite.com and then /wp admin. And this is where you have to click, and then yeah, we will come to our WordPress login page. And okay, now we are already logged in. So yeah, congratulations, now you have installed WordPress. And all these banners here, you can close them, you can click on dismiss and dismiss, so that we only have this here. And yeah, that's it for the WordPress installation. And you can see in my case here, now the SSL is working. So I got the log in front of the website address and everything is good. So SSL is working perfect. And yeah, then I will see you again in the next lesson. So we will make the basic setup of WordPress, and I will show you everything, what everything is, how everything works. And yeah, see you on the next lesson. Okay, so now we are on our newly fresh installed WordPress website, and now we have to do a few settings here, a few basic settings. So I want to explain you real quick what this is. So this is your WordPress dashboard. Here you can see a few widgets. So there's nothing too interesting here right now. So you can see you have WordPress events. We don't need this. So if you don't want to hide something here, you have the option screen options. You can see this on top, screen option, and then you can hide some widgets here. For example, I don't want to see the WordPress events in my city, so I can hide this, for example. And yeah, here on the left side you can see here are the basic widgets and plugins. So you can see here's our dashboard. When we click here, we come to our dashboard, and here is A2 optimized. So this is the caching plugin, the speed plugin from the hosting company. We want to deactivate and deinstall this because I don't like this plugin so much. I think there's a better plugin, and the same goes for Jetpack. So Jetpack is a SEO plugin, search engine optimization plugin, and this we want to deinstall and delete as well because I think there are better plugins out there. So we want to deinstall this, and here you can see posts. If you are running a blog on your WordPress website, so then here are all your posts or your blog posts. Here you can see you can create a new blog post, write your blog post and insert images and everything. Here we have a demo blog post, hello world. So we don't need this because this is only a demo, so we can hover over it and then click on trash, and then this blog post will be deleted. Okay, now we don't have any blog posts remaining, so perfect. The next thing is media. When we click on this, here are all our media files, so all our images and everything you can find later here. Right now there is nothing in here, no media items found. So right now there's nothing because we don't have a real website yet. And okay, let's go to the next pages. Let's go to pages. Here are all our website pages. So here later on, here's our homepage, our about us page, and all the WordPress, WooCommmerce related pages. So you can see right now we have a privacy policy in draft mode. So this is not live yet, but yeah, we can use this because later on we of course need a privacy policy, then we can use this. And here's a sample page. So this sample page we don't need, so we can delete this as well. So because we will building a new website and we don't need the sample page, so we hover over this, and when we click on trash, now this site is deleted. Perfect. Now we only have the privacy policy in draft mode. This is good. So comments here, if you are running a blog post, or if you are running a blog, then people can comment under your blog post, and then you can see it here and manage your comments. WP Forms, this is a good form plugin, so we keep this. Here, under appearance, you can find your themes. If I hover over appearance and then click on themes, then we can see all our installed themes. So right now we have a lot of themes here. So you can see this theme extendable is right now our activated theme. And then we have some pre-installed themes here, 2021, 2023, 2022. We want to install our own theme, so a good looking shop theme. So we don't need these. We want to delete this, because the more themes you are storing on your website, the slower your website will get, because this all use space on our hard drive. So we want to delete them. We can do this now, these three. The activated theme we cannot delete, because we need at least one theme and one activated theme. So we will do this later when we installed our main shop theme. Then we can delete this extendable theme as well. Maybe in your case another theme is activated. So in my case it's this theme, maybe in your case it is this theme that you are using, but we later on we want to replace them and use another store theme. So now I will go click on the theme, and then you can see, or maybe you cannot see because my webcam is over it, and on the right side all the way down you have a delete button. So simply click on the delete button and then say yes or okay. Then the theme gets deleted. Okay, and this theme as well, and okay. So now we only have one theme. Okay, and yeah, now we have only one theme, and later when we install the new shop theme, then of course we want to delete this theme as well, because yeah, we don't need this theme, and yeah, we want to get rid of it. We want to have a clean website, a clean online shop. So then the next theme editor we don't need, because here you can edit the system files, and we don't want this. So the next thing is plugins. We click on plugins here. And here you can see all our installed plugins. In my case, I have the A2 Optimize plugin, Askiment, Anti-Spam. So if you followed my recommendation with A2, then you have this plugin as well. But we want to delete this, deactivate and delete this, because I don't like this speed optimization plugin. There's a better one. So simply go to hover over it and go to deactivate, or click on deactivate, and then the plugin gets deactivated. And now we can delete this plugin A2. Yes, we have to confirm this, and the same goes with Askiment, Anti-Spam. We don't want to have this, so this is already deleted. The blue ones are activated, and the white ones are already deactivated, so we just have to click on delete and yes. So first you have to deactivate and then delete it. Okay, perfect. And the next thing we want to get rid of is Jetpack, so I click on deactivate. And then I click on delete. Okay. And the next thing is Site Assistant. I don't want this. And delete. Yes. And also I want to delete this plugin, Extendify. I don't even know what this is, but we don't need this. So I click on deactivate first as well, and then we click on delete and yes. Okay. Okay, great. Now we only have 2 plugins, and this is great. So the lesser plugins you have, the faster is your website. So make sure to don't install too much plugins later on. I think a good range is if you have 10 to 15 plugins installed and activated, this is a good range. So if you have more plugins up to 20 or even more, then it can get a little bit critical, because every plugin on your website slows your website down, and this is not good. So okay, let's move on here. So user we don't need now, tools we don't need right now, settings, this is important, so we click here, hover over settings, and we go to general. And now here you can see the site title. In my case, I named my site clothing store, for example. If you have a branded store, then of course give it your own name. The tagline, my store, I can delete this. I don't need a tagline. For the installation process, we sure need it, but now we can delete this. And here the WordPress URL and the site address, make sure that you have HTTPS. The same here, HTTPS, and then your domain name. So in my case, I have here a subdomain. I use shop.websiteforsale.com, but the HTTPS is important, that your connection is secured. Okay, so then move on. Here's our email address, perfect. Subscriber is good, English is good. Okay, then we can click on Save Changes. Now everything is changed. Then we can go to writing. Here's everything good. Reading is important. So if you click on reading, then make sure this box, search engine visibility, is unchecked. So if this box is checked, make sure to uncheck it, because when this box is checked, then your website tell all the search engines, Google, Bing, etc., that you don't want that your website will appear on the search results. So make sure there is no check mark in there. And okay, then let's go to the next important thing is permalinks. We click here on permalinks, and then we have to go to post name. We click on post name, because then we have a cleaner page structure. Here you can see the URL and then sample post, and otherwise previously it was on day and name, so this looks a little bit strange, and this is definitely the cleaner strategy to go with post name. So after this, after we clicked on post name, we click on Save Changes. Yeah, and now everything is good. So in the next section, I will show you the theme we are using, and I will show you how to install the theme. Okay, welcome back. So now it's getting a little bit more interesting. Now I want to show you the theme we are using here. So in this case, we are using a free theme from Ali Dropship. I will put the link in the video description, so you can go to the website and download the theme. So they have here a few really good shop themes. You can see they have a few themes that are paid. For example, this is $61, and I really like the shop themes from Ali Dropship. If you want, you can buy a paid theme, because a paid theme is in most cases always a little bit better, because they have more functionality and a better CSS effects and so on and so on. If you want to, you can go with one of the paid themes here. They have quite a few. But for this video, and you also can follow me, we will go with a free theme. They also have free themes. Here, when we go a little bit more down, you can see here's the first free theme, and I really like this, DaVinci 2.0. And I think we will go with this theme. And then here's another theme, DaVinci 2.0. This is with WooCommmerce, and this is without WooCommmerce. So of course we will go with the pre-installed WooCommmerce, because we need it. So we will go with this. And here you can see here are a few more. Rubens is free. It's good as well. Or let's go with one of these here. Yeah, why not? There are a few good themes. But you can check it out, and maybe if you like one of these themes better, then go with them. But let's go. Let's go with this theme, because there's already WooCommmerce included, and let's go with it. So then we click on the theme, and now you can see the button download the theme. Now we click on download theme. Now the download process will start. And this is really quick because the file size is not that big. It's 3 megabytes. This is great. So now I have to go to my desktop and put the file on my desktop. Okay, perfect. So I don't think we have to extract the zip file we downloaded. I think we can install directly the zip file. So now we go back to our store. Now we go to Appearance and then Themes. And now we go to Add New Themes, the button Add New Themes. Then we can click on, here you can see there are a lot of themes in the WordPress library, but we want to upload a theme. So on top here, you can see Upload Theme, and then we can click Choose File. And I will click on Desktop and choose the right file and click on Open and then click on Install. So the installation process can take a little bit. So this is why I will fast forward the video here. Okay, perfect. Now we can click on Activate. So then we will activate our theme. And now there we have it. So you can see the theme is now activated, DaVinci Woo. And this theme, like I told you before, we can delete this theme. We just simply click on it and then we click the delete button on the right corner. And then we can click on OK. So now it's deleted, and now you can see, yeah, we only have one theme. Okay, now let's see how our shop looks like. So we go we hover here on the little house icon, and then we right click on Visit the Site and open in a new tab, so that our website will open in a new tab, browser tab. And here you can see this is our website. So there's right now not much going on. And yeah, we will fix this. Okay, so now we can start installing and installing all plugins that we need. And also we can start customizing our store. So let's get started with installing all the necessary plugins. So for this, you can see we have a new tab here on the left side, DaVinci Woo, and we can go here to General. And here you can see install plugins. So here you can see all the plugins we have to install. You can see that are quite a few. So let's go step by step here. So WooCommmerce, we definitely need this because this is our this is the store plugin. So then classic editor, this is an editor, we need this. A wishlist plugin, this is good. Another contact form, okay, we can leave this. Ali Dropship, social tools, for now I don't want this, or let's leave it here because it's required. Maybe we can use it later. So product videos is good. Metric converter, I don't think we need this, so I will uncheck this. And then let's see here, social login. Yeah, this is where people can log into or make an account via their social platforms, Facebook and Instagram and so on. I don't think we need this. Sitekit by Google. Yeah, you can install it if you want. So this is a really good plugin to connect your store with Google Analytics and Google Search Console. So you can install it. I will do it. I will not do it right now, but you can if you want. Generate thumbnails. I don't know. I think we don't need this. Yoast SEO. I think we want to have this. So Peppy Post, I don't know what this is, so we don't need this. Easy WP SMTP, yeah, we want to have this. And Tiny MEC, we don't want this. So then we simply click on Install Plugins, and now all our plugins get installed. This, of course, takes a while because, yeah, that's quite a few plugins here. So, yeah, we have to wait, and then, yeah, we will go on. Okay, so now after the installation process of all the plugins is finished, we can install all the demo content. So you can see here this tab, or this field install demo. So you can see by checking these boxes, you will install, in this case, a contact form, the contact form, all the pages, WooCommerce categories, navigation menu, all the widgets and the settings. So yeah, let's do it. And I will click on install demo, and I think this will also take a little bit. Okay, so now everything is installed, or the demo content is installed, and you see we have another field here on top, so we could create a child theme, but at the moment I think we don't need a child theme, so I think everything is okay. Then yeah, let's go here to the settings of the DaVinci theme. So general, we done all this, and then let's go to WooCommerce and let's check out what's in here. And yeah, so here are some settings you can play around with. You use site shopping cart, use shopping cart pages, and okay, yeah, perfect. Menu, yeah, this is okay. And something about the WooCommerce gallery, I don't know exactly what this is, but maybe we find out later. Yeah, if you want, you can activate this and click on save changes, and or later do this and see what's happening here. So then go to service pages and let's have a look what's going on here. Okay, so here you can customize the service pages. So the 404 page, when an error occurs on your website, then yeah, this image will display. You can upload a new image or remove it, a text, customize the text, and here you can, okay, button text, contact us text, yeah, nothing too fancy here. So, and then let's click on additional. Let's check out this page here. Okay, here we can add some custom code. So for now we don't want this, and perfect. Let's go back to our dashboard here. And then, yeah, then I think we can check out our store. So let's go to the front page of our store, and then we click on refresh, and let's see what happened. Okay, yeah, perfect. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, perfect, great. Now you can see you have a really great store, and you can start with this, and so you can start customizing this. I think this is really good. So we have a really good starting point here. Here you can see all the categories. Of course, they have strange names now because we don't customize them, but we can put in here our categories, product categories, or something like this. And you have a cool button here. This top bar here is really good. Here you have a menu as well. That's great. Here's some text, and we can put in images or customize the text or whatever. A cool widget here, and here's a cool footer. Yeah, I really like this. I really like this theme. Okay, we can work with this. So then let's go back here, and then we should maybe let's go to WooCommerce. Let's click on WooCommerce here, and let's see what's going on here. Okay. When you click on WooCommerce, then the wizard will open. So here you can set up your store. So the wizard will guide you through everything. Clothing. Where's your store located? For me, I will put this in for now. It doesn't matter. We can change this later. Okay, and here they want you to install some plugins, but we don't want this, so we can uncheck everything because this is not necessary. All the plugins we need, we already have in our store. So yeah, and then yeah, our store is ready and set up. So all we have to do next is put in our store information. So and add products. And here you can see when we go to WooCommerce and then go to settings, then here you can see under the general tab, the first tab, You can see here you can put in your address and your country and your zip code, and also you can further down here you can put in your currency symbol, and then click on Save Changes. And this is everything what we need. So and another cool thing I want to show you, if you go WooCommerce and here under payments, you can see payments. This is a really good payment plugin. So this is WooPay. This plugin is called WooPay, and WooPay is the same as Stripe, and Stripe can accept credit card payment and debit card payment, and also Google Pay and Apple Pay. And this is really good. It is integrated with WordPress and WooCommmerce. And yeah, I use this plugin all the time, and it's really easy to set up. You simply have to click here, and then another wizard will start, and this will guide you through the whole setup process. You have to put in your name, your address, your country, and then you have to tell what your store about, what you want to sell. And then you have to give your bank information. So when orders are made, or when somebody purchases something on your store and pays with the credit card, so they know on which bank account they have to send the money to. So yeah, it's really simple, but I don't want to do this right now. But simply click here like I do now, and then I think the wizard will automatically start to set up your payment. Let's see. Yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah, now you can see you can click here on install WooCommerce payments for free. So yeah, it is completely free. This payment plugin is completely free. You don't have to pay anything. I think they will charge you, I think it's 0.5% credit card or processing fees. So this, I really like it. You can install it, but also you can of course install every other payment provider you want. You can use Stripe, the normal Stripe, you can use PayPal, and all the payment providers you can imagine. So okay, great. So then next I want to show you how we can set up our Printful store. Or yeah, we go to the Printful website, and there we will set up everything, and we configure our store. Okay, so in this step, I want to show you how you can make an account with Printful, and then we want to connect our WordPress or WooCommerce store with the Printful provider here. And yeah, so let's start. Now we are on the Printful website, printful.com. I also will put the link in the video description. So we have now to click on sign up, because we want to make a new account. And here I want to sign in with my email. So I will put in my email. And also, that's wrong. So I put in my email address and my password. So I will have to blur it out or fast forward the video, because yeah, you should not see my password for the store. So I will do this real quick off camera, and then we move on. Okay, so now I signed up for my Printful store, and it was really easy, really quick, a few questions. And I have to confirm my email address, and yeah, now I am in my Printful account, and here you can see there's a tab, your next steps. So the first step is we can create a design, then we can connect our store, and then we can add products to the store, set up billing, and we could order a sample. So yeah, then let's do it. So let's start creating a test product here. So I will click here, or was that right? No, I will click here, I think. Yeah, design your first product. Okay. For this, so it's really simple. Then okay, a collection we don't want. Create a template. No. Okay, this is a template. Okay, but we want to create a product. I think we have to click this large red button, create a product. Then we can choose our product. So you can see men's clothing, women's clothing, kids and used clothing, accessories, home. So they have almost everything. And yeah, for now, let's get started with, I don't know, maybe we can start with a normal t-shirt. So let's start with a normal t-shirt. So I will go to, yeah, t-shirts. And then I will choose, for now, I will choose the unisex garment dyed heavyweight. Okay, perfect. I think, or let's start, or let's use the men classic tee. I think this is better. Let's click on it, and now you can see here you can put your design on it, or and here on this side you can choose the color. For example, let's choose for now only a white, and yeah, maybe a black, white and black. And then we go to, okay, change your title here. Okay. We use DTG printing. Okay, and here we can upload our product, so our image. So you can create images in Canva, in Photoshop, or download your graphics from any website sources. But of course, make sure if you want to place a logo or something like this, then make sure you upload a PNG image so the background is transparent. And when the background of the image is not transparent, then you have the white background. So this is not good. This is why you want to have a transparent PNG of your image. So I will now I will upload a new file from my computer. Yes, I accept. And then where is the folder? There's the folder, and I will use this and open. And now the product will, the graphic will be uploaded. So I made a quick graphic here just to show you how this works. And of course, it takes a little bit. Okay, there it is, perfect. And then I will click on apply. And now the graphic is applied to our t-shirt. That's great. And we can make it even bigger. Yeah, I like this. Okay, cool. So you can see I made this text and then the WordPress logo, and I saved this as a transparent PNG image. So I don't have the white background. And this is why it's important. Okay, and now we can click on Save to Templates, I think. No. Okay, this is the front, this is the back. We don't label. Oh, we have to back to browse. No, keep designing. Okay, I clicked on Save as Template, and I think that was the trick. I don't know exactly right now. And now I think click on Add to Store. Oh, I don't want this, but I think this was not right. Product catalog. Let's go back here. So let's see. No, that's. Let's go to my Printful. Okay, we have to check this later, so I don't know what happened here. Okay, then next let's connect our store to Printful, so our WooCommere store to Printful. So for this we go to connect your store and then click on connect store. And now you can see here you can choose your store platform, and you can see here the WooCommerce logo. So this is good. Then we can click on choose platform, and here we can choose WooCommerce. There you can see it, and we click on connect. And then okay, here it tells us what we have to do. We have to go to WooCommerce setting and advanced. So let's do this. We go to WooCommerce settings and advanced. And here you can see, I think they want us to enable the REST API. Am I right? Yes, under the Legacy API tab, enable Legacy REST API. Okay, Legacy. Okay, let's see. Legacy API. And then we enable this and click Save Changes. Okay, perfect. And now we go back. So what we have to do next, permalink. Okay, this we done already. So, okay, now we have to go to plugins and install the Printful plugin. So let's copy this and let's go back to our store, and then we go to plugins. Where is plugins? Plugins. There's plugins. And then add new. And here we can search for Printful, for the Printful integration. And there it is. Now we click on install now. Okay, and then we can click on activate. Okay, now Printful is activated. So let's go back to Printful, the website. And then, okay, we go to, okay, I see. We go to the plugin themselves and then we click on connect. Okay, and then let's do this. So where it is here, Printful. Okay. Here's Printful. Okay, then let's click on Printful. And now we can click on connect. Yeah, follow the link. Okay, then we click on approve. Yeah, with this account I want to connect, so I click on continue. And I click continue again, connect store. Okay, now our store is connected. Perfect. So I think you can see our temporary store title, and then we can add our first product. But I think first we have to design a little bit our store, or we have to work on our store, because can close this. Yeah, because I think we want to do this first. So we will design the layout and of our store here and make them pretty, and also we want to have all the categories and the product categories, and then we want to work on the menu. And after this is done, then we start publishing our products from Printful to our store. So then let's do this in the next step. Okay, so now I want to show you how we can design our front page here, how we can make the design of our front page. And you can see, like I said before, we have a good template that we can work with, and all we have to do now is make it a little bit pretty and customize it and put all our informations in here. And so then let's take a look here at our pages. So we go to our dashboard and our WordPress backend, and then we click on pages. And here we can see what pages we have right now. So in this, we don't work with an external page builder like Elementor or Divi or something like this. We are working purely with WordPress, the WordPress Gutenberg editor. So this has a few benefits, because if we don't use Elementor or Gutenberg, then and only use the WordPress editor, and then of course our website will be a little bit faster. So we don't have that many design options, but our website will be much faster. And I think for the dropshipping store, for the print on demand store, it is enough when we do it this way. So now let's have a look at here. You can see all the pages. So the cart page, checkout, my account, and all the good stuff here. And here you can see here's the home page, the front page. It's marked as front page. So let's see if we go on edit. Let's click here on edit, open this in a new tab. And here you can see when it's there it is. Here you can see we can edit the text here, this portion of the website. So we can, of course, change the text, and also we can insert images and videos and all we want to do. So yeah, this is a normal page builder. So you can click here, and then, for example, you can add media with this button, or yeah, add a form, for example, or make headlines or whatever you want. So and then one thing, let's go to the front page, and then we can, of course, we have something like this here, this image slider and these objects here. So to change this, we go to the front page or the specific page, and then we can go to customize. In the top bar, customize. When we click here, then the normal WordPress customizer will load. And in the customizer, you can see, wait a second here. Yeah, you can see now we can change all of this. So yeah, of course, we need a logo. Then we need some images here to replace this image. And yeah, we can edit this. And let me click here, for example. Then you can see here are the slider options. You can also enable and disable this. And here you can see the images, image for mobile, image, the normal image, and where's the text? I cannot, here's the text. Okay, here's the text. Kitchen is, okay, here's this, and here is the button text, and there's the button link, and okay, yeah. Okay, it's, yeah. Everything is good. So then let's go back here, and let's see what else we have here. A header. Yeah, here we can edit the header. Okay, the logo, we can replace the logo here. This is the top bar. Okay, yeah, here's the top bar. My account or currency switcher. No, this is the currency switcher. Okay, and yeah. Looks good. Yeah, it's really intuitive. So everything, enable login is good. Okay, this theme is really good. Call to action. Yeah, you can change the call to action here. Okay, looks good. Perfect. Yeah, and here's the footer. Here we can change, make changes to the footer copyright text. And okay, yeah, this looks really good. So then yeah, let's start, for example, with this text. So I will close the editor now, for now, dismiss all changes, and then I think yeah, we will start with this homepage text. So I will quickly write off camera. I will write an homepage text. Nothing too special. So yeah, something that represents the store and my products. And I will be back when I created the text. Okay, now I made the text for the homepage. So you can see I made a quick, wrote a few lines here and I pasted them in. So really easy. You go, like I said, to the pages and then all pages, and then you select the homepage and click on edit. And here you can edit everything. And everything is good now. And then, of course, click on update. And now go back to the dashboard, and now we want to edit all the images and the banners here. So for this, we again go to the home page, and then we click on customize. Okay, now we first want to edit the image slider here. For this, I will go to the pencil, click on the pencil. Now this opens. Here you can see you can change the colors, but for now I will leave it this way. And let's go to slider 1. So I will remove this slider and add a new image. And then I will banner 1. Okay. Select. And I can, or we can remove the image for the mobile version because the mobile version can use the same image. So I will remove it. Great. And now I want to change the text here. Stylish, fresh, beautiful. Let's make it styling for experts, because my theme is all around WordPress and web design and e-commerce. So I want to put clothing on the store around this topic. So style. Okay, this is good. Kitchen is essentials doesn't fit. So best clothing for web design pants, for example. Okay, the link is okay and the button text. I like this. So then let's go to the next one. So let's minimize this. Let's go to the second slider and click on change images. And now we want to upload an image. Now we go to select files and banner image 2. Yes. Now the new image is uploaded and select. Okay, and now we click, now we remove the mobile image. Okay, what's on here? So then cool t-shirts. Cool t-shirts is okay. For now. Show off what? No, show what you like. Show your yeah, that's great. Okay, minimize this and let's go to the third. Change image, then upload file, select file, and banner image 3. Select and also remove this. Let's make it created with passion, for example. And then the subtitle best clothing for what? Okay, now I made unique and stylish designs. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, here nothing more. Or you can also play a video in here. That's cool. So additional. No, it's okay. The slider is done. Then we click on publish. So everything is good. And now we want to edit this. Got any questions? Then I will do mail us, and here I will do info at website for -sale.com. Great. Go back. Here we'll do not free shipping because shipping from the dropshipping company from Printful is not free. So I make fast shipping. Yeah, because they print it fast and ship it out fast, so that's good. Publish again, go back. Then I want to go join us. Click here. I want to change this for check out my JT channel. And this here is, I think this is a widget, or these are two widgets. So let's click here. Yeah, these are widgets. We can, okay, this is an, what's it called? Twitter X widget. So, no, oh, Facebook is this. Oh, this is Facebook. This is Instagram. I don't have Facebook, so I will click the three dots and then delete. And now I will click on plus and upload an image. And here upload this subscribe thingy. Oh, by the way, if you like the video so far, then make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. By the way, so perfect. Then can I? Yeah, link it. I will link it later. So and now this we can delete this. Okay, publish. Everything is good. Okay, now I think we have to change the logo. I made a quick logo. So here, then upload, and this is my logo. I made quick in Canva. Or if you have Photoshop or something else, and of course you can make it in Photoshop or another graphic program. So I click on select, and there is our logo. So a fav icon, we don't have a fav icon, yes. Maybe we can, and I don't prepare a fav icon. Maybe we can, no, that's not good. Okay, so if you want to have a fav icon, so these little icons in the browser tab, you can see now we have the standard WordPress fav icon, and this is of course, this looks not so professional, so we have to make our own or download our own and upload it here. So I make a new tab, and then icon8.com is a really good site, for example. icon8.com. Why is it not working? I made something strange here. So let's go to google.com. Icon8. Why is it not? Or is it icons? Oh, it's icons8. Okay. Here, let's do t-shirt, shirt, t-shirt. Click on search. So these logos, icons are all free. You can download them for free, or at least the smaller sizes. But we, for the fav icon, we need a little icon, and this is okay. So then I will choose, for example, this. I like this. Then I click here, then I click on download, and you can see 64 by 64 is free, and all the other sizes are paid, but 64 is enough. And then I click on download. Now the icon is downloaded, and yeah, I will have to go to my desktop here. Get rid of this. Okay, then we can go back to the store and here select site icon, then we upload, click on upload, select items, the FAF icon we just downloaded, and select, yeah, crop the image. And now we have a FAF icon, perfect. Click on publish. Can we do, okay, where are the categories coming from? I don't know right now, so this is okay. Now let's go, what else we have to change? Okay, this text we have to change. I think I will do this off camera because this takes a little while. So okay, and here the about us and privacy policy and terms and conditions, I will show you later how this works. So I think when we click here, okay, then we will get redirected, so I don't want to do this. Okay, yeah, okay, with the site we can edit with our own terms and condition and about us page. Good, okay, now we have to close this because we are, or I have to click here. Okay, now let's click again on customize. And then I want to edit the 4 widgets down here under the slider. For this, we click here. And here you can see are the 4 widgets here. You can see this is an HTML code strong and close strong. So this makes this big. And yeah, so you can edit this here, and if you want to include the strong code, use strong for bold text, you can see it here, and the same here, you can put in your own text, and here you also have the possibility to add your custom icon. You can download a new icon, for example, in this Icons 8 website, from the Icons 8 website, and upload it here if you want, or you can, yeah, leave this and yeah. So I will do this real quick off camera and then I will be back. Okay, now I put in all the informations here. I changed the text, and also what I do, I put the link here, and this is what I've done so far, and I click on publish. Now let's exit this. And now I want to show you how you can edit the categories. Here you can see now we have 8 categories. So we want to change this. Then we go back to our dashboard here, and then we go to products and categories. Click on categories here. And now you can see here are all the categories, and yeah, we don't want them. So we check them all, mark them all, and then we go to bulk actions and delete and apply. And this is how we can delete the categories. And now we only have the uncategorized here, and we want to make a new category. So in my case, I will make t-shirts. And you can also put in a description if you want. So it is, if you want to make a description, it is good for SEO purposes. So, but I don't do it right now, so that's okay. Then I click on add new category, and now here's our category. And then go back here and click on refresh. And now nothing is there. Perfect. Okay, I don't know why. Maybe because there is. Let me check this. So we go to appearance, and then we go to widgets. Okay, I don't want this. And here I want to install a new plugin because I hate these widgets here. So we go to plugins, add new, and then we download a plugin to restore the classic plugins, classic widgets. So this is easier. Here you can see classic widgets. This is what we want to install. Then we click on install now. And this is way better and way easier and way faster. So, and then activate. Okay, great. And now we can go back to appearance and widgets. And now let's see if this is a widget problem. So front page sidebar, I think, no, this is not footer. Here you can see this is the footer. You can edit the footer from here as well. And okay, this is the shop sidebar. No, this mobile sidebar. No, this is something else. No, this is another problem or a different problem. I don't know why, but maybe it is. It doesn't show anything because there is no product in the category. So let's go real quick to our Printful store, and then we go to my Printful product template orders. Add product. So let's add a product. I think the first try doesn't work that well. And let's make a new product here. So let's go to products maybe. And then let's go to men's clothing and t-shirts. Men's classic tee. Okay, skip. So, okay, here we are again. I want to have black and white. And drop the design here. So I think this is the design. Yeah, it's already uploaded. So I click on apply. And here's the design. I make it a little bit bigger. And then I will click on continue. I will choose a basic mockup. And here you can choose the mockup type if you want to have only the shirt, or if you want to have some guy with the shirt on. Yeah, let's take this. And here you can choose what color should be shown on your on the first image of the product. So maybe white is better. Let's go with white. Placement, okay, mockup format, this is okay. Then I click on continue. And here we have the description, product title. So I will put in, I love WordPress, and make this thingy classic tee. This is the standard description, so I will leave this. Yeah, attach size guide, this is good. Product categories, here you can see here's our category, and I think we can, yeah, okay. Okay, this was already filled in, so this is good. Then I will click on continue. Then I can change the pricing, save, okay, that, and revenue 10%, okay. Okay, and here you can see the pricing structure. So we sell this t-shirt, for example, in size S for $8, and it costs us almost $7, so we make $1 profit. And also, of course, we can change this. Here you can see the pricing increase by, I think this is a little bit cheap, so we can make 30 and then set. And now he applies the pricing formula to all the products. Yeah, this is better. And then we go to submit to store, and then the product will automatically get submitted to our store, and then we have our first product. So you can see this green bar here, and this is yeah, right now he submits the Printful store, submits the product to our WooCommere store, and then yeah, everybody can purchase our t-shirt or our product on our store, and we collect the money. And then we get an email information that we have a new order, and then we have to log into the dashboard here in Printful, and then we have to fulfill the order. So that means we have to log in, and we have to pay for the product, because yeah, the Printful, they want money for the printing and for the t-shirt, for the service and for the shipping, and yeah, of course this we have to pay here. But yeah, we have, so the price difference we have as profit. It is not that much, but if you sell, I don't know, 10 or 20 or 100 shirts, then it's better. Yeah. So yeah, this can take a while. I think I will be back after the product is submitted. Oh, okay, now the product has been submitted. You can see it's marked with green, and when we go to the back end of our store, and then we can click on products and all products, and now we should see our t-shirt here. Yeah, and there it is. Now we can see it, and it's in the t-shirt category. And if you want to edit the product description, you simply can go hover over the product, and then you can see the edit tab. Click on edit, and then you can rewrite the product description or add the product description, edit the product description, I mean. And let's go here and let's go click on refresh. Maybe now the category is shown. No, for some reason it doesn't show. I don't know why. I think I have to investigate this off camera, and then I will tell you what it is. But you can see now our product is here on the front page under top selling products. You can of course delete this if you go to customizer, if you open the customizer, and then you can uncheck the box to delete this. But for now I leave it this way. And here is another new arrivals is this, and when we click on the product, then yeah, you can see here's our product. We have all the images, and here you can choose the color we set in the Printful backend, black and white. And here you have the sizing, and there's the price. So you can pay this here. I think yeah, the product page looks good. I really like it. And another thing I want to show you, because I lied to you, and you don't have to go every time you receive an order and you collect the money. You don't have to go in your Printful backend and pay every item manually. So you can go to my Printful, and there I saw that you can set a billing method. So you can put your credit card information here. You can see this set up billing, and then if you click here, then you can put in your credit card information, for example. And every time there's a new order on your store, then automatically Printful will get notified of this, and the size and the color and the motif of the t-shirt, the specific graphic, what's on the t-shirt, and then they will automatically deduct the billing amount from your credit card. They will produce it for you, and then they will automatically ship it out for you. So you don't have to go every time you receive an order into the back end here. They will do it automatically if you set automatically billing method here, like your credit card or something like this. So yeah, this is really good. I will do this later. And okay, now the next thing is we want to make all the pages here, for example, the About Us page and privacy policy. You can see now it's all filled with the demo data here, and yeah, all the pages, payment methods. And this is what I want to show you next. Okay, so now after a little break, you can see behind my back the sun is shining. We have morning, and now let's go back to our website here. And now I want to show you how you can modify and design and customize the other pages here. For example, here is our About Us page, and yeah, this is all filled with demo content, and I want to show you how you can modify this page. And for this we go to our backend, our WordPress backend, and here we go to pages. You can click on pages, and now you can see all the pages we have on our website. And now we have to find the About Us page, and there it is. And the same goes for every other page. If you want to, for example, customize or edit, for example, another page, for example, the Contact Us page, it is yeah, the same. But for now, I want to show you how this works with the About Us page. So we hover about the desired page, for example, in my case, the About Us page, and then we click on Edit. So we can right click and then open in a new tab. And now the new tab is open with the editor. And here is the page editor. You can see welcome to the store. You can see this is the first text here above the image, and further down we have the image. Here you can change the image, upload a new image. Here you can see the recommended image size, 1920 by 400 pixel, and down here you can see all these widget fields here, these points, our core values, and be adventurous, creative. These are these icons and the text underneath, and then you can edit this, and then you can also, of course, change the logos here by uploading a new logo. And then what we have next, here you can see the Contact Us field, where this is here. You can change the text here. Oh, wait, now we are too high there. Here you can see you can change the button text and the button links. And yeah, you can see you can customize everything. Here are the logos. You can even completely hide the logos by toggle this button here. And then yeah, that's it. And here's the save button. Don't forget to save it after you finished. And yeah, so this is how this works with every page. For example, if we go to the Contact Us page and we right click on Edit and then open a new tab, and this is almost the same. So here you can see here's the text for the Contact Us page, and this is a shortcode for the Contact Us form. Yeah, it's literally it's almost the same. So close this, and now I want to edit the About Us page. I want to place my original text here, and yeah, maybe I change the logo, and I will change this, and I will do this off camera, and after I'm finished I will show you my results. Okay, now I'm finished creating the About Us page. So I wrote a little bit of text here and I put it in the website, and you can see yeah, I think it's good now. I think yeah, maybe later we'll put some images here or change the background, put a new banner image background in here, but for now it's okay, I think. So all you have to do now is doing the same with the other pages. For example, the Contact Us page, you can write a little bit more here, and yeah, you have to do the edit the payment method pages, the privacy policy pages, and if you don't know how to get the privacy policy and shipping, for example, and terms and conditions, so you simply go to google.com and then you put in, for example, terms and condition generator free, and then you can find some tools that will generate the specific legal pages for you for free. So you simply put in your information, your contact information, your website, your email address, your name, and then you press on generate, and then you can simply generate this text, these legal pages, and then you copy this and paste them into the pages. And yeah, this is really easy. I don't think I have to show you. Like I said, you go to Google and then search for refund policy page generator free, and then use these tools to generate these pages for free. And then simply you go to the pages here, you click on edit, and then you paste the generated text in there. So yeah, that's it, I think, for the pages, for customizing the pages. And also I want to show you, I've found out why on the front page the side menu is not shown with all our product categories. And for this I want to show you this, and for this I want to make a new category so that we have at least 2 categories. And we can add at least 2 categories. So let's make a new product category. So we go to products, hover over products, and then categories. And here I want to make a new category. And then of course I want to create a new product for this category. And there we go. So I will make now a product category called Max. And like I said, you can edit the description. You can write a description for the product category here. So this makes sense if you want to get traction with SEO, with search engine optimization, and this gives you more chances that Google picks up your product category page and shows it in the search results, in the organic search results. So but for now I don't want to do this. I will do this maybe later. I will just click on add new category. And now you can see now the MAC category is here. And then we go to our Printful dashboard. And here we want to add a new product. For example, here you can see here's a MAC. So I will click on here. And with Printful you can do literally every product. This is great. So I think I will go with this color maybe. And then I will click on create a product template. I think this is right. Okay, there we go. Skip this. Then I will add my design. And then I will upload a new file from my computer. And then I will take the WooCommerce logo, will upload it. Of course, this takes a while because the logo is a little bit bigger. And also it's a PNG image, so it has a transparent background. Like I told you before, it's better to have a transparent background, for example, with this image. So normally when you save an image, for example, as a JPEG image, then there is a white background, and you need to have a transparent background, because otherwise then the white background would be printed as well on your t-shirt, on your clothing, or on your mug here. So always make sure to have a transparent background. You can use various tools. For example, you can use Canva, or if you are a Photoshop expert, or if you know how to use Photoshop, then of course you can do this with Photoshop. But also there are many other tools out there, free tools you can use to create graphics. without a white background, or if you have an image or a logo or a graphic, then there are various tools on the internet you can use to remove the backgrounds. Simply search for background remover tool, free, and then there you can upload your image and they will automatically remove the background, the white background, and yeah, you can then download the modified image or graphic and upload it here to your Printful store. And I don't know why this takes so long for uploading. Okay, now it's finally uploaded, so you can see we can adjust the height and the size here for the mug, but I think it's good. It is in the center, looking good. So then I click on I click on save to template. And then add to store. Okay, the color is good. Proceed to mockup. Basic mockup. And I think, yeah, this looks good. So let's, yeah, this is good. Then click on continue. Wait, let's go back real quick. I don't know. Oh, have I done? Product templates. I don't know why the logo was not shown on the image. Add to store again. Okay, here's the image. Edit print files. Proceed to mockup. Then I choose the basic mockup. Okay, maybe it's just how this is shown. Okay, then let's click on continue. Okay, then we click on we edit the title. Okay, perfect. So product categories is already preset to mug. This is good. Then we click on continue, and now I hope that the image will come with it. So I think 10 is a little bit percent, it's a little bit low. So let's make it 30 and then set. Okay, now you can see the mug goes for $12.50 and we make a profit of $3.25. That's good. Then we click on submit to store. And now the product gets submitted. Let's go to my Printful here. Let's see. If the product is submitted, where is stores? We have to click on stores, exactly stores, and yeah, this store. So you can also add multiple stores. If you have more, then you can connect with one Printful account. You can connect more stores, more than one. Okay, and yeah, it is synchronized, and the product is on our store, I think. Now let's go to all products. Let's check this. Yeah, there it is. There's our mug. Perfect. And I want to show you real quick why this is not working here. So I saw, let me click on customize. And let's wait until it's the page is here. Okay, and here you can see we have an option called menus. So if we click on this, then we can see we have a few menus here we can configure or customize, and company info, customer service. I think this is this on top here, mobile menu, purchase info, and the slider menu. So I think this is what we need. So if we click on slider menu, then you can see, yeah, slider menu is the name. Then we go back. Yes, we don't want to save this. I don't know what you want to save now. We have nothing changed, so then let's go back. Then we can go to appearance and menus. And here you can see we have all the menus. So we have the slider menu, we have the top menu, we can customize mobile menu and company info and so on and so on. Now we want to customize the slider menu, and then click on slider menu and hit select, so that this menu is selected. And now you can see we have an empty menu. Here is nothing inside, and now we want to add the product categories, but you can see we only have pages, post, custom links, categories, and WooCommerce endpoints. We don't have our product categories here. So for this we have to go on top here on the right top corner. We can see screen options, and if we expand this, then we can see all this. We can see product is unmarked. Here's product categories. So if we check this and then minimize this again, now we have the product categories in here. And now we can see we have our two product categories. So we'll select them and then we click on add to menu. Now they are in here, and then we click save menu. Now you can see we get the message menu saved, perfect, and then we click on reload. Now we see our product categories. Here you can see the t-shirt category and the mug category, and yeah, there's our mug, perfect. And also you can, of course, when you are here on a product category, then you can see you have this little banner here, and it says buyer protection and free shipping. So because I don't offer free shipping, I have to customize this. So for this, I think we have to go to customize again, the customizer. Yeah, you have so many options here. You can click all this and see what's inside here. And yeah, so okay, now we are in the customizer, and you can see the little pencil icon. Then we can click on this, and now you can see you can set the colors, and here you can where is it? Reviews. Here you can enable or disable the reviews. Okay, but I cannot see this thing here. So social media share buttons. Okay, enable sticky add to cart. Okay, we have a sticky add to cart. Okay. SKU, show SKU, okay. Show categories, show tags. Right now I cannot find it here. Let's go back maybe. And store notice, no, this is product categories, this is something else. Product page, this is this again. Catalog mobile, product images, no. Checkout, no. Checkout product settings. Nope, not what we want. Product page. This is strange. Yeah, I have to look into it, why we cannot customize this. So Okay, I cannot find out where you can change the text, but here you can see this module is called buyer protection. You can here enable and disable this. Now it's gone, and yeah, here's it again. But I cannot find the option where you can change the text. So this is a little bit strange. But yeah, for now, until I found it, I will disable this, and I have to look into it where this is. So then click on publish here, and here you can see, yeah, you have all the different options you can customize. And now let's leave this here. And another thing I want to show you is when you go to the home screen here, then you have down here the option DaVinci Woo. So if you click on service pages, here you have not service pages, WooCommmerce. There you can edit, for example, the shipping policy that will be shown on the product, and later in the checkout process. So this is also pre-made, so you have to change this and make your own shipping and delivery policy, and then paste it in here, and then click on save changes. So because you cannot use this because yeah, this is just pre-made, or maybe you can edit this, I don't know. This is up to you. And yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. So of course, if you have any questions, then leave them in the comments down below, and I try to answer them as fast as I can. And yeah, so if you created your store, then make sure to edit as much products as you can, because the bigger your store is, the better it looks if you have more products and more categories. And also try to make a good design, so you can use websites like FreePic or yeah, some free image and graphic sites where you can download them or even create them yourself if you are good with Photoshop, or if you want to make them in Canva, of course, do this. And also you can pay someone to design the logos for your products. For example, on Fiverr, you can hire someone to make you a good graphics for your product, and then yeah, add them to your Printful store, and yeah, then sell them. And like I said, if you're here on your Printful store, then make sure to edit your credit card information. So if someone makes a purchase from your store and pays, then the Printful team also receives the order, and then they can yeah, take the money from your credit card and pay with this money for yeah, the production of the product and the shipping of your product. And this makes the whole process really easy, and you don't have to log in all the time. You simply collect the money, and they will do it automatically for you, everything, the yeah, printing and the shipping process. And yeah, you don't have to do much because it's all automated. Everything you have to do is take care of your store, make your store look pretty, and yeah, create as many products as you want, or if possible, create so many products that your store looks really yeah, really full of life. And yeah, and of course you have to promote your store, and this is really important. In the first few months, I think nothing will show in the Google search results, because yeah, your store is a complete new store, and Google don't have any trust in new websites and in your store. So make sure to promote your product and your store on different sources. Maybe you can maybe you have a social media account where you can promote your products or your store. And also, of course, you can buy paid ads. So you can buy Google paid ads or Facebook ads or Instagram or TikTok or whatever, or create TikTok videos or YouTube videos and promote your product in there. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. And this tutorial, I showed you everything, how you can create your own store. Play around with it and have fun. And I showed you every customizer option, all the customizer options here, and the back end. I showed you everything where you can customize the pages. Under pages here, you have your WooCommerce store, so make sure under WooCommerce you make a payment method. Use this. I think this is one of the best, but you can integrate every payment method you can imagine. So WooCommerce is so big, and I think WooCommerce is almost the biggest store provider out there. So you can integrate PayPal and Stripe and even cryptocurrency. Do this, go to WooCommerce for the payment, go to WooCommerce and then settings. And let me show this real quick. Here in the store address, put in your address, and here you can put in the countries where you want to sell to all countries, or sell to specific countries. Here you can put in, for example, United Kingdom, United States, and this is where you want to sell your products to. Here you can choose the currency, and then of course click on Save Changes. You can put in as many as you want. United Kingdom or France or Australia, everything. You find everything, and then click on Save Changes. Okay. And now here are the settings for the product. Here's the shipping. This is interesting as well. So if you click on shipping, and then you can click here on add a shipping zone. And here you can name the shipping zone. So for example, worldwide shipping. Regions. Here you can set the specific regions. United States. United States. Canada. You have all the options here, and then you can click on Add Shipping Method. So here you can see you have the option between flat rate, free shipping, and local pickup. So in this case, we are using flat rate. Then we can click on Add Shipping Method. And now we have to go to Edit here, and here we can set the cost. And for example, I will do $6.99 for the shipping. And then click on Save Changes. And now the customer has to pay the price for the product plus the $6.99. Yeah, and here you can, like I said, put in all the country names and then click Save Changes. Now you set up the shipping, and under payments here you can see there are some pre-installed payment methods. WooCommerce, this is what I told you. You can click on install, and I will recommend that you use this. But of course, you can install every other shipping payment method, for example, PayPal and everything. But this is very good. WooCommerce payments, it is Stripe, and then all the email setting and advanced settings. So yeah, I think that's it for this tutorial. Now you have a good looking store. And like I said, if you have any questions, then let me know in the comments down below. I will try to answer your questions as fast as I can. And also, if you like this tutorial, if you learned something new, if you created your new store with this tutorial, then yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will publish yeah, more and more helpful videos about WordPress, WooCommerce, web design, e-commerce. And so yes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And so yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.